Hi everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Val. I'm Val, and today's video is going to be a Mindful Souls unboxing. So Mindful Souls for July 2023. And actually, if you're new here, what I've done to all my Mindful Souls videos is I put box and the number of what box it is. So Mindful Souls, it is a monthly subscription, so you do get it once a month, but not every box is the same, meaning it just depends on when you started your Mindful Souls journey. So for example, if you started in January 2023, then your box number 1 would have been January 2023. If you started in this month, July 2023, your box number 1 would match January 2023's box. So that's kind of how it is. It kind of just starts by box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, and so on. So this box for July 2023 is my box number, if I can get to my channel, is my box number 7 or box number 8. So this is box number 8 for me. So my box number 8 might be the same as what your box number 8 was in March, if that makes sense. I tried the best I could to explain all of it. Anyways, if you like Mindful Souls, if you've seen Mindful Souls or have Mindful Souls and just enjoy watching unboxing videos, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up before we get into the video. If you enjoy emotional wellness and mindfulness videos, go ahead and subscribe to this channel because I do put out a Mindful Souls unboxing once a month, and this would be the perfect channel for you to watch. Now let's go ahead and get into the video and into the unboxing. And just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. And I love Mindful Souls. Like I said, this is my 8th box. I started it in December of 2022. So my first box was December 2022. And like I said before, my box number 1, if you started in March, and that's when you got your first box, then our boxes would have matched. So it just depends on when you start. Oh, and there's a different color little... I'm excited for that. Anyway, so this is the information card. We won't go through this yet until the end of the video. So something that we get every month is a sticker, and this month we got like a eye, and it just says open your eyes, open your mind. So it's just very simple, and I really like the detailing of it. The cut is like a circle, but with kind of reminds me of a flower of some sort. Anyways, I think that's a really nice just sticker and straight to the point. The next item that we always get is an affirmation, and actually something that I want to do with all my affirmations, I think they're 4x6. I want to frame them all and like have a wall in my apartment or in my room of just all my affirmations, like a little collage wall of them. So the affirmation for this month, for July, is affirmation for money. And it says new opportunities to increase my income open up for me now, and I love that because I just started a new job and that was my opportunity to increase my income. So I'm super excited for this affirmation. I think this affirmation is perfect for this month and just what I kind of needed. Next is so next is everything that we got in the box. So like I said, this is my box 8. So it looks like for box 8 they've included a skincare product, and the skincare product that they included was the Pastel Shop New York Deep Cleansing Charcoal Black Mask. It's a peel-off charcoal mask. So I'll have to try that and give myself a skincare night and enjoy my skincare night. But that's just that. And then I'll save what I was excited for last. So we got this big old bag, and it just feels like a pendant of some sort. So let's go ahead and show you. So all the products come in these like little gift bags, little gift baggies, accessory baggies. So either it's a 2-in-1 or something broke. Interesting. So it's just this kind of crystal. I don't know if it broke off or if something broke off or what happened, but we'll have to figure that out. And we'll go ahead and read up on this crystal at the end of this video, like I told you all. The next product or item, it feels like a little figurine, like a little crystal figurine probably. It's so cute. It's a little turtle. It's a little crystal turtle. And it's gray and black. So this is the little turtle. I'm excited to read up on that one. I love little figurines and I love turtles. I actually have a turtle that my grandparents got me from Cancun years back, and I did bring it the last time I went over there. I brought, or to visit my family, I made sure to pack up that turtle, and it's behind me in my little shelving back there. Ooh, this one is a bracelet. This one, okay. So I'm wondering if maybe one of the crystals also broke off of here, because there's just, no, it wasn't on the correctly, but there was just a random one. I think this is citrine, kind of like what I'm wearing now. I'm gonna put it on, actually I'm not gonna put it on yet, but I think this is citrine. A citrine bracelet, if I remember correctly. Now this one, oh, I got another necklace. Oh, this is really pretty. It's like, it's another necklace. And it has like a, kind of looks like a butterfly or dragonfly. It's a little bit of a smaller, like, choker necklace. It is kind of heavy, so I'm not sure if I'd wear this one. It would probably be really pretty to hang up in my car. But this is a necklace. It's just like a clear crystal with a rose gold chain, and it's got it looks like amethyst crystals, and I can't remember the name of this one, but it's just that really pretty necklace, and I think it would be really cute to hang up in my car, like I said. And this kind of reminds me of like a butterfly or a dragonfly. Okay, so the last product, and this one was the one that was pretty cool, like I said, because all of the little accessory bags are in this like kind of like manila canvas bag, but this one's in a green one. So I don't know if maybe they ran out of them and just put it in a random green one, but let's go ahead and see what's in it. Oh, it's just a little, this one looks like cerulean, citrine, just like this little stone. Okay, so now let's go ahead and read up on all of our crystals. Okay, so welcome to my wall, everyone. Here is our information little booklet, or pamphlet, whatever you want to call it. And this is the information card. So we're going to start with the first one, and the first one that they have on here is the Citrine Point. So I think I said it was citrine. Maybe I said it was cerulean. I'm pretty sure I said it was citrine. I'm not sure. A citrine point is believed to elevate optimism and energy to a place more able to manifest and accept opportunity. As you attract new possibilities, people and energy into your life, prosperity and abundance will soon follow. In working with the solar plexus chakra, citrine warms the core to radiate power, centeredness, confidence, and endurance throughout the body and mind. And that's just this one, the Citrine Point. And I think that's the necklace that I'm wearing right now, is also a citrine necklace. Okay, next product or item, it's an item, is a Tree of Life necklace. Okay, I see. So it says clear quartz is wrapped in a magical tree with leaves of amethyst and green aventurine. Green aventurine carries a strong connection to earth, while the amethyst improves concentration. To program the quartz with your intentions, hold it in the palm of your hand and focus on what you want to transfer into the crystal. The crystal's memory will download your intentions and help to manifest those goals. So this is just a Tree of Life necklace, and I actually see it now. If you can see the wrapped coil, it does look like the tree trunk, and then the branches stemming out with the leaves, the the green aventurine leaves and the purple amethyst leaves. So I can definitely see it. It also just reminds me of a butterfly or a dragonfly, but I also see a tree too. And I think this is a really pretty necklace. Like I said, it is kind of heavy. I don't know if I'd wear it as a necklace or if I just maybe hang it in my car to give my car, you know, some positive energies and positive vibes. The next product is the Snowflake Obsidian Turtle. And it says that the Snowflake Obsidian is also known as the mirror stone, which is believed to reflect the evil eye energy back to the sender. Snowflake obsidian is associated with protection from harm and is said to break bad luck, while the turtle is a symbol of success, fertility, vitality, and great patience. And I really do believe this is a really beautiful turtle. Little snowflakes figurine. And I'm excited to place this with all of my other collection, my crystal collection. The next product is the red Aragonite. It says that the red Aragonite acts as a stabilizing stone and can be helpful for those who have focused on bringing more harmony into their life. Meditating with red Aragonite can help to ground the spiritual growth into the lower chakras, raising the overall vibration of the body. It helps to create a deeper connection on planet Earth and release issues from the past and attachments in the present. And this is just the red Aragonite stone. And it's got like a lot of, it's got, I don't know what they call this, but I would call it protruding stones coming out of it. And it's actually really cool. I love the texture of it. It feels just really earthy, and I do love it. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if this piece just broke off of it or what happened, but I'll probably pair these together when I put them on display. The next product is a citrine bracelet, which it matches my necklace that I'm wearing right now. And the citrine bracelet is the stone of light and happiness. Wearing a citrine bracelet strengthens your will, motivation, and determination, helping you go after the things you want. Citrine is also known as one of the most powerful manifestation gemstones because it activates imagination, bringing more creative visions and a positive outlook on life. And I really think this is such a pretty bracelet, and it, like I said, again, it matches the bracelet or the necklace that I'm wearing perfectly with that gold chain. So I'm excited to wear this and pair this whenever I wear the necklace. The last product is the charcoal black face mask. And what it says about the face mask, it says, peel away any pore clogging impurities and excess oil with the deep cleansing charcoal face mask. All you need is a spare 15 minutes out of your day to rejuvenate your skin. Put on your favorite music playlist, sit back, or have a little dance session while the charcoal face mask works its magic to provide deep pore cleansing, leaving your skin feeling fresh and clean. Alright everyone, so that was the end of my Mindful Souls 2023 unboxing, box number 8. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more Mindful Souls videos and for just other unboxings in general. And I hope you all have a wonderful Mindful Monday, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye everyone!